In this video, we're going to look at joining a Canvas video meeting as a student. To get started, go to mpsaz.org. Once you're at the home page here, you'll simply scroll down to the bottom and click on the Canvas icon located here under Academic Resources. Once you log in with your username and password, it will bring you into Canvas. On the Canvas side, make sure you go over to the left-hand side and click on Courses. Select the course that you need to enter for your video meeting. In this case, it's the Intro to Video Production class, and go ahead and click on the name of that course. When the course loads, you'll notice on the left-hand side there will be an icon called Cisco Webex. Click on Cisco Webex. When the interface loads, you'll notice the time and date and length of the meeting you need to join. When your meeting is about to begin, come over to the right-hand side and click the Join icon and follow the prompts on the pop-up in order to join your meeting. I hope this video is helpful, and please contact your teachers if you have any questions about how to join a Cisco Webex video meeting.